undecided on what to buy? I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Sumita Majumdar and today I'll be talking about boAt Rockerz 255 earphones. This earphone gives you a playback of 10 hours so that your music never stops. It comes with an IPX5 rating, so that means it is water and sweat resistant. It also has the latest Bluetooth 5 technology which ensures seamless connectivity. It also has voice assistant support. It comes with fast charge technology, so that means it gets fully charged in just about 1 hour. It comes with magnetic earbuds, so that means your earphones are always tangle free. It has firm secure fit. Because of its 10mm drivers, you get powerful bass as well. That's all for this product. I'll see you again. Till then, happy shopping. Bye bye.